Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Coalition. Gears 5 developers. Gears 5 is a third-person shooter video game developed by the Coalition and published by Xbox Game Studios for Xbox One, Microsoft Windows and Xbox Series X. It is the sixth installment of the Gears of War series and the sequel to Gears of War 4.
Let's help you make your mark.
Gears games typically get around 4 years of development. Since Gears 5 debuted in September 2019, the earliest Gears 6 could debut would be 2023. But since Microsoft hasn't yet announced the game, a 4-year development cycle could mean a debut in 2024 or early 2025. January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Kait was the daughter of former war hero, Sergeant Gabriel Diaz of the Coalition of Ordered Government's Army and Engineering Corps, and Reina Torres, whom unknown to most was the daughter of Mira, Queen of the Locust Horde.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.